today is the first of the few sessions that we're going to have on research. So, today in this short video, we're going to cover what is research, why do we do it, and how do we do research. So, let's start. First, let's see what is research. So, in simple words, research is made of two syllables, re and search. Re से मुराद होता है you do something again and again. And search means to examine something closely and carefully or to test and try something new. So together, they're basically the meaning of them basically is that they're a careful, systematic, patient study and investigation in any particular field of knowledge. So यहाँ पे पेशेंट से मुराद जो है इट डजंट मीन मरीज, इट मीन्स कि आप स्लोली और थरली किसी चीज़ को स्टडी करते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड सर्टन प्रिंसिपल्स और पॉलिसीज और टू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट समथिंग न्यू. सो रिसर्च जो है इट कैन ऑल्सो बी डिफाइंड एज अ सर्च फॉर नॉलेज. It's a systematic and scientific process for getting relevant answers for any specific question or topic. It requires a movement from the unknown to the known. It's an inquiry into a subject and it is basically a voyage of discovery. Why do we do research? Well, simply in our case, I think in undergraduate level, we did it because we had to. It was part of our curriculum for our students. And now in postgraduate, if you actually come to think of it, the research that you do should always answer the why. Why are you doing what you're doing? Because if you're clear about the why, then it is very easy for you to build on the how and the when. So, do think about your why. Now, let's see. How do we do research? Research is basically done by the use of a whole process which is called research methodology. And the research methodology is basically a way to systematically solve a research problem. It consists of a series of steps. यानी कि ये एक पूरा it's a process or a method या it's a whole procedure that you do to try and answer a particular research question या whatever question that is in your mind for your research. So these are the steps that are actually involved in the research process. In the next videos, we're going to discuss about them in detail, but let's just have a quick look at the steps. So first of all, you have to be very clear about the selection of the topic that you want to do. Then you have to understand the topic that you are going to select. With that topic, you're going to develop a particular research question. Then you are going to understand that to answer the research question, where should you take your data from? That data you have, for that data, you've got to identify your data sources. And then you have to collect, the data has to be collected in various forms. And you can have questionnaires or you can be recording interviews or whatever the process that you've developed for your data collection. After that, you have to classify and analyze and इंटरप्रेट योर डेटा. यानी कि वो जो सारा मवाद आपने अपने सवाल को आंसर करने के लिए जमा किया उसको आपने किसी पर्टिकुलर तरीके से एनालिसिस करके यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट इट इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे एंड देन you develop the findings of your study and finally you give a final preparation of your report.